Hey guys, in this short video we will learn about the 5 most important shortcut keys. It starts with window. Okay, so if you press only window key, so it will open like this. You see the search bar is open, you can search anything here. Next is window and T. If you press window and T with your keyboard, so you see you go to the tab. Those tabs you can directly open with window and T. Okay, let's close this. Next is window plus full stop button. Okay, so window plus full stop, as for emoji, if you want to insert any emoji, that's how it works. Okay, now window and D. If you press window and D, you will directly go to the desktop. All the work which you are doing, all the open Excel, Word, PowerPoint, any software, it will close itself and you will go directly to the desktop. The last one is window S. Again works as same pressing as Windows. For search, you can search anything. Okay, so these are all about window. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.